Love it. I am a big girl and it hold my 330-pound frame easy. Chair is very sturdy. I am happy with this chair. It is lightweight enough to carry. But if you don't plan on moving a chair around a lot, you should check out Walmart. They have a Ozark chair for half the price, is super big. So it's kind of heavy. So if you're gonna move it around a bunch, I would get this one. But if you also, this one sits up straighter, which I like. And on the Ozark the back kind of leans, so you need a pillow. Anyway, great chair, well worth the money. This chair is built to last. So many pockets for storage, included a large cooler pocket to keeps food, drinks cold on a hot beach, concert, sports event. I am so happy that I purchased it. If I were to have one critique, I would wish they sold one with a high back so I could rest my head back. Other than that, I love this chair. Click link in description for more reviews.